Hi, I hope you all are doing wonderful out there. One of my clients who had given me a contract to do his website once gave me a picture like this, and then after that he asked me to put that one to his WooCommerce website for his products. Now I had an issue when he's keep giving me pictures like that I want to take that background away from those pictures and find a suitable background for those pictures. Doing these photo editings in Photoshop takes lots and lots of efforts and time. So I felt that I want to find a tool to do this editing very quickly, and I'm going to be talking about that particular online free tool for your photo editing purposes. That's in front of you, remove.bg. Once you get into that remove.bg, see this one, you simply have to click this upload image blue color button. And all the pictures what I want to edit is in this particular folder. Think that this is the picture that my customer gave, and I simply have to open it. Now see, the moment I have uploaded that, it had removed the background of the picture and it had given me the results, and it is very effective. Now the original is like this and the removed background picture is like this. You simply have to download this picture to your computer. You are good to go. Now if you want further, there is something called edit over here. Click on that edit and see whether is there anything suitable to the theme what you are referring. Now my website need a theme which is with this ash color background, so I had this one. Or if you want to change the background like this, you can change the backgrounds of the pictures. Now the good thing is, if you have a picture of your own and you want to place yourself in a place like this, there are so many backgrounds, you can do that one also. For social media, channel advertisements such as Facebook advertisement, Instagram advertisement, Google advertisement, every advertisement needs a professional photo editing, but you have very little time, then this Remove BG is a very handy tool for you. And also there is something called pricing. If you see the pricing, that is also very affordable. So when you are downloading free version photographs after the editing, so it will save you non-HD versions of your photograph. But if you buy some credits, you can have the HD versions of your photographs as well for other purposes as well. And why don't you use this Remove BG and have fun? Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm wishing you all the best and take care of yourself. Bye-bye.